Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make a jumping game on Scratch. So to begin with, we want to remove Sprite and add Blue Sky. After that, we want to add a chick. So you can change the character, like you can add a horse jumping on apples or something like that, or a paddle or something like that. So that's how you wanna build your scratch, and you can add different voices. So like egg, we'll add one egg here, and we'll also be adding another egg. So I think the other egg's gonna come. Yeah. So you wanna add this here. So you wanna make the egg sizes like 80, so it will be easier to jump on. So let's move this to 80. And then this one, you can also move this to 80. So that's what we have. So now we want to move egg to costumes and egg. So you want it to be broken. So in chicks, we are going to go in when clicked. Then we go in look, switch background to blue sky. Then we go here and go to X, negative 180 degrees, and also here it's negative 120 degrees. Then we also make our new variable that will be named score. So after adding our score, we are gonna be doing set my score to 0. Then we do here when space start sound. We don't, so we are gonna go in sounds and then add this chirp, chirp. So it must something like that. Yep. So we are gonna be start sound chirp. Then we are also gonna be adding this repeated 10 times. So repeat 10 times, repeat 10 times. So then we are also gonna be ending a change by 10 and change by negative 10, so when it falls down, negative 10. So we are gonna be adding this code in our check. Yep, we're gonna be adding this code in our check. So if you want to do in scratch, like you make it on something else to make it more positive, so we just move this deleted and we have added the same code here. So this is how our bird will be jumping. And so now for the egg, we will be doing when clicked, then we do switch costume 2 times. We will be adding it to A, and the second one to B. So now we want to add here wait until, go in sensing, touching, check. And then we also want to add at the bottom to stop everything, stop all. So now another one we are going to be adding on the same thing is when clicked. We're going to go in look, hide, and show. We're going to be adding. So it hides for some time. So it will be hiding for 1 second. Then it will be shown. Then we do here forever go to x 240 to negative 145. Yeah, yeah. Then we will also be adding here glide 3 to negative 240 and to negative 145. Yeah, so now we go to egg 2. So for egg 2, it's kind of similar from egg 1. So we add here when clicked forever go to x 240 to negative 145. Then same thing like the before one that we had. I can just show it to you after writing this. Negative 240 to negative 145. So this part we also had it in egg 1. That what I would like to call it. So this exact, so that part, this one, so this part that we had there. And then we also want to add when clicked switch costume to A, same thing from the before one. And we're also going to be adding costume egg B. Then now we also going to be adding here wait until sensing touching chick switch costume to egg B, and then and at the end we stop all. So it's your choice if you want to make the game harder by increasing the size of the game of the eggs, or you want to make it more harder by making the chick a little bit more harder. So your game will be something like this. So you use your, so you'll be scoring points. So as you see, can see here, there's, so here, as we are not getting any score from here, so we're gonna be adding in our change my score by 1. So not to make it like unfair, like people when they just jump, they just make instant point. So that's why it's just better to just keep the eggs more near to each other. So like as we hit one of the eggs, the egg broke. So you can add like a crack sound, or you can use this by force or something like that to make the game. Thank you for watching my video.